Maintenance of certification requirements for physicians can get confusing, since each specialty has widely varying MOC requirements. In the last few years, more boards have started implementing open book options instead of traditional MOC exams. Here are some examples of the differences and changes. For example, pediatrics requires 100 total points of self-assessment and quality improvement activities. For anesthesiology, 125 points are required every 5 years. Meanwhile, for family medicine, 150 credits are required every 3 years. As previously mentioned, traditional proctored exams are being phased out for new quarterly open book options. It began with anesthesiology offering MOCA Minutes instead of the proctored exam. MOCA Minutes sends 30 questions each quarter of the year that can be done online. Similarly, pediatrics began offering MOCA Peds instead of their proctored exams. Over a 5-year period, physicians can access 20 questions per quarter, with the 4 lowest quarter grades dropped automatically. This format is open book and allows physicians to avoid the more costly, time-consuming, and stressful proctored exams. If a physician is passing by year 3, they meet the requirement. However, if they are not passing by year 4, they can sit the proctored exam. The MOC process for family medicine is different from these two. They also offer quarterly assessments, but have implemented a new simplified system called Trademark Q. What do you think of these changes to MOC programs? Leave a comment below. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, and subscribe for more videos. If you are interested in BoardVitals, you can click the link in the description to check out our website.